Coming soon! Onpassive, pioneering the internet with an exclusive payment processor, data center, and OES ecosystem suite. In today's digital age, where the internet is the lifeblood of global connectivity, Onpassive is emerging as a game changer. With visionary leadership and a commitment to innovation, Onpassive is on the path to owning a significant part of the internet infrastructure, including its own payment processor, data center, and online ecosystem suite, OES. Let's explore how Onpassive is set to revolutionize the online world. 1. Onpassive's unique payment processor. One of the most exciting developments in Onpassive's journey is the creation of its own payment processor. This isn't just about convenience, it's about taking control of your online financial transactions. Onpassive's payment processor promises to be fast, secure, and tailored to meet the unique needs of its community. This level of autonomy allows members to transact with confidence while keeping their financial data safe. 2. State-of-the-art data center. Onpassive is not stopping at just a payment processor. They are also investing in their data center. In today's data-driven world, having a state-of-the-art data center is essential. This infrastructure will ensure the reliability, security, and speed of services offered through the Onpassive platform. Members can expect seamless user experiences and trust that their data is safe and in capable hands. 3. Online Ecosystem Suite, OES. Onpassive's Online Ecosystem Suite, OES, is the crown jewel of their offerings. This suite of tools and services is designed to empower individuals, businesses, and organizations. It comprises a wide range of solutions, from marketing tools to AI-driven platforms that can transform the way businesses operate online. Onpassive's OES is set to revolutionize the way we engage with the internet, making it easier and more efficient to connect with our target audiences. 4. Embracing ownership for a brighter future. Onpassive's drive to own its payment processor, data center, and OES represents a significant shift in the way we interact with the digital world. By taking ownership of these key components of the internet infrastructure, Onpassive is paving the way for a more secure, efficient, and user-centric online experience. This approach empowers individuals, businesses, and organizations by giving them greater control over their digital presence. Onpassive is on a remarkable journey to reshape the internet as we know it. Their commitment to owning a payment processor, data center, and the OES reflects a dedication to providing a superior online experience. With these advancements, Onpassive is not just participating in the digital world, it's owning a significant part of it. The future is undoubtedly exciting for those who join Onpassive in this transformative journey, as they contribute to a digital landscape that is more secure, efficient, and user-focused. To learn more and become a part of this incredible journey, visit Onpassive's official website today.